Hey there, Mama Strong. My name is Michou, and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best versions of themselves with affordable beauty. Today's video is a get ready for the week with me. So we're gonna do hair, skincare, hygiene, and body care. So once I'm in the shower, I make sure the water is nice and warm. I go ahead and wet my entire hair before shampoo. And then, yes, you know the next step. I go ahead and start with shampoo. So I just make sure that I get like a good amount of shampoo. I put it all over my scalp and the back of my head. So don't forget that part, Mama Strong. Sometimes we only wash the front and not the back, but you need to wash both because, well, that's part of our scalp, right? Anyways, I make sure to get a good massaging with the shampoo on my hair. I only do this twice a week, so I make sure that I do it good. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just putting my finger like in between my hair to get a good massage and clearing of my scalp.
Who knew you'd come into my life with nothing to lose? Then you took me by surprise.
Okay, once that's done and I rinse off all the shampoo and squeeze my hair good, I go ahead and use a deep conditioner because I have really dry hair. Deep conditioner work good for me, so I just divide my hair in two and then just put the conditioner all over my hair after putting it on my palm. So as you can see, I'm not putting any conditioner on my scalp. It's just the length of my hair. And then whatever is left on my hair, that's what I put on the front of my head. Once I have all my conditioner on, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in my hair cup. I usually put a hair tie on it or a hair clip, but I totally forgot this time, so that's okay. Anyways, while we have the conditioner do its job, we're gonna move on to body wash. So I'm just grabbing my body wash and using my skincare system by Duvolle. This is the Radiance skincare system. So I'm just using their large body cleansing brush to exfoliate my whole body. And if you guys would like your own Radiance skincare system, don't forget to check out the description box. I actually have a 70% off code for you, so you get this product at a $28 value instead of the whole amount.
And left me confused. You said, don't you worry, it's not you, it's just me, my love. So don't waste it on me, you'll find somebody who's enough for you.
So since this large body cleansing brush is just like a loofah, I use it all over my body, obviously, my legs. Don't forget your armpit because that's where you put your deodorant every day. But yeah, I'm only showing a few parts for obvious reason. Then after rinsing everything off, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my body for shaving. And this part, I'm gonna just show you my legs and my armpits. So anyways, I'm just using a deep body scrub. I believe you have seen this in one of my favorite video, but I just use this to prepare my my leg for shaving. So make sure that to grab the exfoliating product and just rub it all over my leg to make sure that all my hair cuffs shafts are actually open so that I can have a close shave. And since we're still on the leg part, I'm gonna just use this pumice stone from the same Radiance skincare system to make my feet a little bit smoother. I noticed that that part of my feet is just like the back of my foot is just a little dry and sad looking. So I'm so excited when Duvolle sent me their products to try out. I was so excited to try this out, especially because they have like different heads that you can use with the same body, so that you can use like their facial exfoliating brush, which you will see later on me using. Then now you saw me using the large body cleansing brush, and then now you see me using the pumice stone. Okay, I don't know how to say it, but you know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, next we're gonna move on to shaving. And yes, Mama Strong, I do use conditioner to shave my legs. This is actually very common in the beauty community. Well, that is why I have a huge conditioner, because I use it not just on my hair but also on my legs to shave. It helps a lot with thick hair like mine, because conditioner is supposed to soften your hair. So that's exactly what it does to my leg hair. So it makes it much easier to shave. And there's other things that I had to do in the shower that I cannot show you for obvious reasons. But anyways, after shaving my legs, I went ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and shave my armpits. And then I'm gonna change the temperature, the shower water temperature, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the conditioner off my hair. And guess what? I'm in robes already. Anyways, so out of the shower, I usually put lotion all over my body. Sometimes I forgot my body and I just do my arm and my legs. But for today's video, you're only gonna see one leg because, yeah, I don't know why, but you only see my leg being moisturized here. And it's really worth it, especially during fall season, especially if you have dry skin like me. Alright, Mama Strongs, as you can see, my hair is still drenched, like it's super wet still, so I'm just gonna take a little towel and squeeze the water out. So I don't pull my hair, I just squeeze the water, and I'm not following any method, curly hair method or whatever. I'm just following the Michou method, okay? So this is pretty much how I dry my hair. And then I'm gonna put some hair products, the hair product that I always use on my hair, and then I'm gonna put a hair wrap on.
Who knew you'd come into my life with nothing to lose? Then you took me by surprise and left me confused. You said, don't you worry, it's not you, it's just me, my love. So don't waste it on me, you'll find somebody who's enough.
This way, curly hairspray is like the only different products that I'm adding to my hair today, but other than that, it's always the same products. And of course, feel free to check the description box below for the list of the products. I'm just using a white tooth comb right now to spread the products in my hair, because this is honestly the only time where I brush my hair. I don't brush my hair throughout the week. This is the only time I brush my hair, so I make sure that I have a good comb. And then, like I mentioned before, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a hair wrap, and we're gonna move on to skincare. But before skincare, let's be real, this is real life, and I do brush my teeth. So I do brush my teeth to wait for the water to warm up a little bit, but also, well, I need to brush my teeth, right? This is hygiene. Anyway, so after brushing my teeth, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. So starting with just wetting my face like always, and I'm gonna use the Radiance skincare system. I'm gonna actually use their facial exfoliating brush. So they have two different face brush. They have the facial cleansing brush, which is much softer, and they have the facial exfoliating brush. But I'm just using the exfoliating today because I need to exfoliate my face, because we're gonna do some mask today. So yeah, we're not gonna be double cleansing, but we're gonna cleanse real good. Okay, then after patting my face dry, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to toner. And I finally can show you my new toner routine and my new bamboo round reusable face cotton thingies. Anyways, I'll put the name in the description box. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, use my toner and just wipe my face with this. I found that these face cotton things are a little bit rougher compared to the one from AOA Studio, but I feel like if you really need to do like a second exfoliation on your face, this will really work. And well, just try not to push too hard on your face with it, I guess.
This nights that I spend with you, 'cause it's true. I never wanted to fight on our every move. You said, don't you worry, it's not you, it's just me, my love.
Okay, so after finally deciding which face serum to use on my face today, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the serum. You can do the finger tapping motion on your face to make it spread and, you know, enter your pores better, or you can just do whatever I'm doing right now. Whichever method you do is fine, as long as you do it in the correct order of product. Okay, Mama Strong, so I made sure on this part to actually make the video on a normal setting so that you can see exactly how I apply my eye cream. So I literally take my time with this. I don't, you know, I use my most gentle finger to apply it, and I make sure that I actually do a gentle massage under my eyes. So yeah, make sure that you do the same thing.
So don't waste it on me, you'll find somebody
And today I decided to do a face mask, but I guess this one is a sleeping mask, so that's what I'm doing today. Does it look familiar to you? Because this is brand new, this is the first time I'm using it on camera. And yes, I have some trouble with my nails, so yeah, mouth it goes. Anyway, so I'm gonna just go ahead and apply this face mask all over my face. This is a sleeping mask, so I don't have to rinse it off. And that's the consistency. This is the aloe vera mask. As always, make sure you take your time to massage the products in your face for it to work better and give yourself some facelift on the way. Why don't you? Okay, so next, Mama Strong, I'm going to move on to acne. So I have a couple of acne there, so what I'm doing here is just cleaning up the area so that there's not too thick of a product there, because I'm gonna use this AOA Studio Acne Patch right here. I've been loving using this. It was so cool. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing here. And I thought I didn't put it, but actually my nails are good. I placed it right away. It was on my face right away with these long nails. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing next. And then we're gonna move on to lips. I'm going to use a lip mask just because we're using a face mask. Why not use a sleeping lip mask as well, right? I've been loving this. Anyway, so I'm just using the back of my nail to grab the products, and I guess that's the most sanitary I can do for now. Anyways, we're gonna move on to the hair. I'm just gonna unwrap my hair and see how it's going. And I do air dry my hair like 99% of the time, unless I'm filming or whatever, then I'll dry it on camera like that one time you saw. But anyways, this is how my hair looks like. Actually, to be honest with you, I think the wave made it a little bit on the dry side because it was so unmanageable after this. Like, it didn't look cute at all. My curls were so dry. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much today's video, Mama Strong. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will try to put one video a week, maybe two if we're lucky, but one video a week will come out every week from now on, just because my mom routine is very busy right now. So one video a week will come out. Excuse my accent. Anyways, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like the video. It will help YouTube push out the video to new viewers if you do give it a thumbs up. So thank you so much for helping me, Mama Strong, and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye bye.